Before we can ask whether God exists, there's a question we usually skip. What is God? Most people picture something when they hear that word. An old man in the sky, a distant force, a being who gets angry or plays favorites, or just the universe in some vague spiritual sense. Islam rejects all of those. The clearest statement of who God is appears in one of the shortest chapters of the Quran, 4 lines. Chapter 112. Surah Al-Ikhlas, the sincerity. Say, He is Allah, the One, Allah, the Eternal Refuge. He neither begets nor was He begotten, and there is none comparable to Him. 4 sentences, the whole definition. Let's take them one at a time. He is Allah, the One, not one God among many, not a committee, not a trinity. One, in a way that has no equal, no partner, no second. The Arabic word is ahad. It doesn't just mean the number one. It means uniquely, absolutely, entirely one. There is nothing else like Him. Allah, the Eternal Refuge. The Arabic word is as-samad. It means the one everything depends on, but who depends on nothing. The universe needs air. Air needs atoms. Atoms need forces. Forces need, eventually, something that needs nothing. Allah is that. The foundation that needs no foundation. Everything leans on Him. He leans on nothing. He neither begets nor was He begotten. He was not born. He has no parents. He has no children in the divine sense. He did not come from anything. He simply is, without beginning, without origin. And there is none comparable to Him. Whatever you picture when you think of God, whatever image, feeling, or concept, it falls short. He is beyond comparison, not like a person, not like nature, not like the universe, not like anything we have words for. And yet, He hears, He responds. He created this universe with purpose, and He knows every one of us is in it, not because He resembles us, but because He is as-samad, the one all things return to, including us. That is who Islam means when it says God. One uncreated maker, eternal, unborn and unbegotten, unlike anything. In the next episode, we ask, does He exist?